Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great clearance price travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. And today we've got another clearance priced larger RV. This is a 2010 Palomino Puma 30 FQSS. This is about a 33-foot long with a slide. Bunkhouse, can sleep the entire family. Bargain priced. As I've been telling you in my last previous videos, we are basically phasing out travel trailers. We're still going to trade for them and maybe have a few of them in stock that we took in on trade, but we're going to use the space we've got them at now for fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motor homes only. That seems to be our bread and butter. So we've got all of our existing travel trailers marked down to cost, some below cost, just to move them out so we can use the space for parking other things. But anyway, looking around this camper, it looks great. Got one little small ding right here in the slide out. Probably been there for years. Not even busted through. It's just, it's there. I'm just letting you be aware of it. It's like I always say, there's no such thing as a like new used RV. Striping and finish looks good. Back end looks good. Got stabilizer jacks, outside shower, 6-gallon DSI water heater. And I don't have the weight just right on me, but I will definitely post the dry UVW weight, what it weighs right now, in the body of the ad if you want to check that. Or if you're on YouTube, just look down on the video description. Got an awning. Here in the back, you've got a Puma den, which is the cargo loading door. Step inside here. So we step inside, folks. There's no smoke or pet odors. And we're going to show you, folks, we've got 3 different price points for you that we're going to go over here in a minute. Apologize, it's a little dark in here. Got a DVD player built in. Now, folks, I'll go ahead and point this out. The people that traded this camper in, they left this in here. It looks like a TV. It's not. It's a prop. So it doesn't have a TV that looks like it does, and I guess instead of Sony, we can call that a phony. But anyway, here you got a front bedroom, queen bed, overhead. Over here you got a middle living area. Table makes a bed, sofa makes a bed. Kitchen, side kitchen, microwave. Got a 2-way RV refrigerator freezer. So you sleep 2 in the front, 2 on the sofa, 2 in the back. Open this up. Got a private rear bedroom with a full bed and a bunk on top. And you've got a closet over here. Side bathroom. You've got a toilet. Actually got a real tub. Look up here. You got a skylight. Like I said, folks, for the price, this thing's a deal. Now, folks, and like I've described in my other videos, we've got 3 different clearance prices. Each one has its own distinct advantage and disadvantage over another. Now, I've put the middle price on there, which is $11,880, and I'll go ahead and go over what each price includes. You can be your own judge which way you want to buy it. First price is the highest priced one, which is the best price because it includes the most benefits to you, and that is $12,380. And what that includes is obviously a very clean 2010 Palomino Puma. It's going to be checked out by our certified RV techs after purchase. We're going to go through a major systems check, which pretty much covers everything on a towable camper. And anything we find wrong with it, of course, will be fixed, repaired, or replaced before you pick it up or before we deliver it at no additional cost to you. So in other words, folks, if we have to replace the air conditioner, if we have to replace an awning, refrigerator, all 3 of them, the price is $12,380. It doesn't go up just because we spent more than we planned to checking it out. You get a 90-day nationwide limited warranty. That's also included. You also get a year of free camping, up to 21 nights total, up to 7 nights at a time, select RV resorts nationwide. These are not a state park or KOA. These are actually $100 a night campgrounds. So they're definitely a lot nicer than most RV parks you're going to stay in, and it's absolutely free to you for 21 nights for the first year. That's included for $12,380. Plus, after it's been through the service department, you're going to get a call from our service manager. He's going to set an appointment with you for you to come in, and the RV tech will give you a personal one-on-one walkthrough demonstration. Show you how to operate everything, show you everything, how it works, how to hook it up at the campground, tips, tricks, and pointers, tell you anything he had to do to repair it, to make it pass the inspection. And that's all included for $12,380 out the door. And if you look online, folks, it's a $15,000, $16,000 camper anywhere else. We also have option 2, which is the price that's on it, $11,880. That includes everything I just described except the 90-day nationwide limited warranty. Option 3 is the lowest price option, and that price is $11,580. And it doesn't matter to us, folks, if you're paying cash, trade, finance, or a combination of the three. All three of those prices are haggle-free firm. And what that includes is, of course, the camper. You're buying it just like we did, which is as is, where it sits, good with the bad. You do get a drive-out tag on all three options. You do get a free starter kit with all three options. And you do get instructional DVD with all three options. But that $11,580 is basically hooked to your vehicle and go price only. Now, if you are letting us know you're coming, with at least 24 hours notice, we'll plug this unit into power or hook a generator to it, turn everything on so you can see for yourself what works and what doesn't, because this thing has not been through our service department in any shape, form, or fashion. So we don't know what works and what doesn't. And, you know, the option 3 price, obviously, you take the good with the bad. And it just depends on how you want to buy it, folks. You know, and I'm going to have a detailed description of all three pricing options in the body of the ad or on the YouTube video description, so that you have that information to make your choice. Come look at it in person. Let us know you're coming. We'll hook it into power. You can see what works and what doesn't, and then you can decide which option you want to go. The prices are haggle-free firm, but they're out the door. No extra fees, no dock fees, prep fees, none of that nonsense, folks, here at Parkway RV Center. You do have to pay sales tax if you're a Georgia resident, because we're a licensed, bonded Georgia RV dealer. All out-of-state residents will pay your state sales tax rate when you tag and title this camper at your local DMV office in your home state. So, you know, just give us a call if you're interested. We've got a huge selection of travel trailers that we're trying to liquidate just to make room for fifth wheels, motorhomes, and toy haulers, which is our bread and butter. So make sure you check out our website, parkwayrvcenter.com. Email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. Or come visit us here in person, folks. You can call us at 706-965-7929. Evenings and Sundays, 423-605-6747. Family owned and operated for 50 years, folks. We're one of the oldest, largest, most successful independently owned used RV dealerships in the country. We sell about 600 used units a year of all shapes, forms, and fashion. People travel thousands of miles to buy from us because of our prices. Folks, we can save you a lot of money, folks. Look online, look what these things are bringing, compare it to this one. You know, you'll see there's no comparison. Financing available with approved credit, minimum 10% down payment, nationwide delivery is also available. Contact us for a quote. Any questions, give us a call, come visit us in person. I guarantee you, folks, you come visit us in person, chances are you're going to find something you're going to want to buy. So let us know if we can help, and look forward to seeing everybody here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia. Thank you again for watching.